Hey Weather Pals, Meteorologist Brittney here. Today's forecast is calling for clouds. This is one of the most simplest experiments you can do right at home. We are going to make our very own clouds in an empty water bottle with simply an empty water bottle and some isopropyl alcohol. Go ahead and gather your supplies and I'll meet you back here. Okay, so first, very simple. Let's open up those water bottles. Remember, they are empty. And we are going to take just a little bit of this rubbing alcohol and pour it into the water bottle. Don't need much. Next, go ahead and put the cap on. Make sure it's nice and tight. After you put the cap on the bottle, give it a little swish. Okay, here comes the fun part. What we are going to do next is start to twist the bottle. No, we're not going to flick the cap off and let it shoot across the room. Remember, that is on nice and tight. We are going to twist the bottle. Now what we are doing here is we're building up the pressure. You can feel how hard the sides are. You want to start to twist it as much as you can. Now, just like in our atmosphere, this high pressure brings clear skies. Notice you don't see any clouds in the bottle. There's a lot of pressure in here, high pressure, and typically, just like in our atmosphere, high pressure brings clear skies. So sunshine, really nice weather. Now, what do you think happens with the opposite? What happens if we have low pressure? How can we get low pressure in this bottle? Well, we could simply let it go. So when we release the bottle, we are lowering the pressure and you see some clouds. Just like in our atmosphere, the lower the pressure, we typically see more clouds, even rain, or even snow. Now our clouds in these bottles are quite small, but did you know clouds up in the sky are very heavy? They look nice and fluffy because they're so buoyant looking. It's hard to believe that they have weight, but they actually can weigh over 1 million tons. And the fun part about this experiment is you can do it over and over. You can see the clouds. I increase the pressure. I make it high pressure again. The skies are clear. Lower the pressure. More clouds. I could do this all day. Thanks for watching, Weather Pals. I'll see you next time.